Trading. Now I mentioned we want to give our users all the tools so they can make a good trade. What are some of those tools? We have a very, very efficient stock screener that many users don't even trade with us. They just use our market data app version just to screen stocks for their, maybe their Robinhood account, maybe their TD account. Watch lists and alerts, right? Get a push notification on your phone. Things should be easy, right? Get a heads up when earnings come out, or get a heads up if the stock price drops below a certain level, or even the RSI changes a different level versus the price. Margin leverage. Like I mentioned, we give up to 4 times margin leverage on an account with no fees for access to margin. Ability to short. You can short sell on our app. Access to IPOs. If we have an IPO, if we have a relationship with an investment bank that's running an IPO, we'll give you access to buy that IPO, right? And so far, we've probably run about 20 deals through our system. I think right now open, if you have an account with us, I think we have 4 deals, 4 IPOs currently that you can put in orders, and you can get stock at the IPO price. I don't know of any other discount, not even free, discounted online broker that'll give you access to IPOs, unless maybe if you had $500,000 in your account. No fee for Forex on the leverage. No fee extended hours, right? Trading is open at 4 a.m. and it closes at 8 p.m. Why do some brokers not allow you to trade all those hours, right? We do. Again, it doesn't cost you any money to get access to 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Advanced order types. Why just send out a buy order and have to send out a limit order after and then a stop order? Do it all at once. Send 3 orders to the market at once with bracket orders. Send out your order to buy Apple, take profit, stop loss, all at once. Or you can get even a little more exotic and use our OCO, OTO, OTOCO orders. I'll give you an example. In OCO, one cancels the other. So you have a bracket order in Apple, right, to buy it at 229, to take profits at 231, and stop your losses at 227. At the same time, you have AMD with the same parameters. That Apple order hits, that AMD and those 2 other orders associated with AMD immediately cancel, right? Maximize your trading. Again, you should not pay money to do those things. There's a subscription services that will link to your brokerage account. You have to pay monthly fees to do those things. Unnecessary. Shouldn't be paying those fees anymore. Market data. You should not be paying for market data. It should be free. We do enough revenue on the payment for order flow, the margin lending, and all the other back-end systems where we can make money to pay all those costs for our users. There's no reason to pass it on. We show you recent IPO on our market data. We show you earnings calendars. We show you our most active stocks and ETFs. We have an internal community on Webull, so you can see what people are talking about in the community of Webull. Again, 10 million users of our market data app globally. So it's not just you pull up the stock app when you're seeing 1 or 2 comments. There's 1 or 2,000 per hour. It's an active community. We're not trying to compete with the stock twits, but we want our users to talk to each other and help each other. Real-time global equity quotes, so we don't just stop at the US. We also show global equities, right? UK, Germany, Singapore, China, Hong Kong, right? There's a bigger picture out there, and people are trading 24 hours. You should have access to that information, and you shouldn't pay a penny for it, right? FX and crypto. We don't offer crypto trading yet. We don't offer FX trading yet, but we want you to have the access so you can make a better equity ETF trade. Obviously, it shows right now on the screen there, it's showing advances and decliners. Now it's moving to a global insider activity. You need to know what the management's doing of a company, right? This is all information that someone would maybe have to look at a Bloomberg for. I mean, if you try to Google insider information, you're going to be spending a lot of time looking through those links, right? All of it in the palm of your hand. That's the way it should be. Short interest, gauge if a company is overshorted, right? Opportunity to buy because you know those guys are going to be covering. Financial forecasts, institutional positions, analyst ratings. This is not an exhaustive list. It goes on and on. And if you look on the brochure, you'll see where you can download our market data app, and you can actually see firsthand, it costs you absolutely nothing. See firsthand all the information is available on our platform. Now the charting. One of the reasons why our market data app took off so fast was because our charting. All in-house built. We did not third-party it out. All of our charting is built in-house by our developers. EPS and analyst ratings, target price forecast. There's 25 different indicators, whether you want to go from MACD, RSI, Bollinger. It's a long list, and it's all easily navigatable on your phone. The desktop version has all of these as well.